In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Zoho CRM as a complete beginner step-by-step. Now, if you've been thinking about using a CRM to manage your leads, customers, deals, and sales process, but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. We'll start by creating your Zoho CRM account, exploring the dashboard, and learning how to manage leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. Then, we'll create tasks, schedule meetings and calls, and see how to keep all customer interactions organized in one place. After that, we'll create reports, explore analytics, and take a look at AI-powered features that help automate and improve your workflow. We'll also explore the settings section, customize your CRM, create simple automations, and learn how to make the most of Zoho CRM's beginner-friendly features. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the official website of Zoho CRM. Once you are there, you can sign up using your email address, Google account, or LinkedIn account. In this tutorial, I will choose the Google account option. After selecting your Google account, follow the sign-in process. If prompted, complete the account setup by entering your basic details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your account has been created, Zoho CRM will take you to the setup page. Here, enter your company name, phone number, and the number of employees in your organization. You will also see an option to load sample data. If you want to explore Zoho CRM with pre-filled example records, simply enable this option. After filling in the required information, click on the Get Started button. After creating your account, Zoho CRM will take you to the Welcome screen. Here, you'll see a few setup options. Invite your team lets you add your teammates by entering their email addresses so they can collaborate with you inside the same CRM workspace. Configure your deals pipeline allows you to customize your sales stages according to your business workflow. Connect your email lets you link your Gmail, Outlook, or other email accounts so you can manage customer emails directly inside Zoho CRM. Import existing data helps you upload your contacts, leads, or customer records from Excel, CSV files, or another CRM. Finally, integrations allows you to connect Zoho CRM with popular applications like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, Zoom, Shopify, and many other business tools. Once you're familiar with these options, simply close the setup guide. Now, let's take a quick look around the Zoho CRM interface. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main navigation menu containing modules like Home, Reports, Analytics, Leads, Contacts, Accounts, Deals, Activities, Inventory, Support, Projects, Integrations, and several other business tools. Everything inside Zoho CRM is organized into separate modules, making it much easier to manage different parts of your business. Now let's start with the Leads section. A lead is simply someone who has shown interest in your business but hasn't become a customer yet. To open this section, click Leads from the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of all your existing leads along with information such as their name, company, email address, phone number, lead source, and owner. Now let's create a new lead. Click the Create Lead button in the top right corner. A form will open where you can enter the customer's information. Start by entering the first and last name, then type the company name, email address, phone number, job title, website, and any other information you have. You can also choose the lead source, such as website, advertisement, referral, cold call, or social media, so you know where this customer came from. Once you've filled in the required information, click Save. Your new lead will now appear in the leads list and is ready to be followed up. As you continue communicating with this person, you can edit their information, leave notes, upload files, send emails, assign follow-up tasks, or schedule meetings directly from their profile. Once a lead becomes a real customer, you can convert them into a contact. Simply open the lead, click the Convert option, and Zoho CRM will automatically create a contact, an account, and even a deal if you choose. This saves a lot of manual work because you don't have to enter the same information again. Here, Zoho CRM will ask whether you want to create a new deal for this account during the conversion process. We'll explore the Deals section in more detail shortly, so you can leave the default options as they are for now. Once you have reviewed the information and are satisfied with the settings, simply click on the Convert button. Zoho CRM will convert the lead into the appropriate records. Next, let's move to the Contacts module. Contacts are people you've already established a relationship with, such as existing customers, clients, or decision makers within a company. Click Contacts from the left menu. Here you'll find all your saved contacts along with details like their company, email address, phone number, and owner. To add a new contact manually, click Create Contact. Enter the person's name, company, email, phone number, department, job title, mailing address, and any additional details you want to save. After entering the information, click Save, and the contact will immediately appear in your contacts list. You can open any contact at any time to update their information, attach documents, send emails, create notes, schedule follow-ups, or review every interaction you've had with them. Now let's continue with the Accounts module. While contacts represent individual people, accounts represent the companies or organizations those people work for. Click Accounts from the sidebar. Here you'll see a list of businesses stored inside your CRM. To create a new company, click Create Account. Enter the company name, website, phone number, industry, billing address, shipping address, annual revenue if available, and any other business information you want to record. Once everything looks good, click Save. After creating an account, you can link multiple contacts to that same company. This is especially useful when you're working with large organizations that have several employees involved in the buying process. Now let's move on to one of the most important sections inside Zoho CRM, the Deals module. Deals represent actual sales opportunities that you're currently working on. Open the Deals section from the sidebar. Depending on your selected view, you may see deals displayed as a Kanban pipeline, where every column represents a stage in your sales process. To create a new deal, click Create Deal. First, enter a deal name. Then, select the related account and contact in the appropriate sections. Then choose the pipeline stage. After that, select estimated closing date, expected revenue, and assign the deal owner. Once everything is filled out, click Save. Your deal will now appear in the pipeline. As negotiations progress, simply drag the deal from one stage to another, such as moving it from qualification to needs analysis, then to proposal, negotiation, and finally closed won or closed lost. This gives you a clear visual overview of where every sales opportunity currently stands. If a customer asks for additional information or requests another meeting before making a decision, you can update the deal, leave internal notes, upload quotations or contracts, assign tasks to your teammates, and keep everything connected to that single deal record. Now let's look at the Activities section, where you can manage your daily work. Activities are divided into tasks, meetings, and calls, allowing you to keep track of everything you need to do with your customers. Let's begin with tasks. Click Tasks from the left sidebar. Here you'll see all your current tasks along with their due dates, priority, status, related records, and owners. To create a new task, click the Create Task button in the top right corner. Enter a subject such as Follow Up with Customer or Send Product Quotation, then choose the due date. After that, link the task to the appropriate lead, contact, account, or deal so it's connected to the correct customer. Then, select the current status and set the priority to low, normal, high, or highest. You can also assign the task to yourself or another team member. Once everything is ready, click Save. The task will now appear in your task list, and as work progresses, you can update its status from not started to in progress and finally to completed. This helps you stay organized and ensures that no customer follow-up is forgotten. Next, let's open the Meetings section. This module helps you schedule appointments with your customers directly inside Zoho CRM. Click Meetings from the Activities menu. Then select Create Meeting. Enter a meeting title, choose the start and end date and time, add the related contact or account, and invite attendees if necessary. You can also include the meeting location or add an online meeting link if you're meeting virtually. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. If another meeting is already scheduled for the same date and time, Zoho CRM may display a scheduling conflict or warning. If you still want to continue with the meeting, simply click on the Continue button. After saving, Zoho CRM will ask whether you want to send a notification to the meeting attendees. If you would like everyone to be informed about the meeting, click Yes or Send Notification. Zoho CRM will then send the meeting invitation or update to all selected attendees. The meeting will now appear in your calendar, making it easy to keep track of upcoming appointments. When the meeting is finished, you can open the record, add notes, record the outcome, and plan the next follow-up without leaving the CRM. Now let's move to the Calls module. This section is useful for tracking every phone conversation you have with your customers. Click Calls from the sidebar, and then click Create Call. You will see two options: schedule a call and log a call. If you want to plan a call for a future date and time, select Schedule a Call. Enter a subject for the call, choose whether it's an inbound or outbound call, set the call date and time, specify the expected duration, and link the call to the appropriate customer or deal. After completing the required information, click Schedule. Once you've finished speaking with the customer, reopen the call record and update the call result. You can also add notes about what was discussed, any customer questions, and the next action that needs to be taken. This creates a complete communication history that anyone on your team can review later. Now let's take a look at the Reports section. Click Reports from the left menu. Zoho CRM automatically provides many built-in reports that help you analyze your business performance. Here you'll find reports for leads, sales activities, meetings, emails, calls, deal performance, revenue, and much more. If you want to create your own report, simply click Create Report from the top right. Choose the module you want to analyze. Here, select the fields you want to include, apply filters if needed, and once you have configured all things, click on Continue. It will display an overview of the report that has been generated. Take a moment to review the information and make sure everything is accurate and appears the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the generated report, simply click on the Save button. The report will then be saved, and you can access it later whenever you need it. This allows you to quickly understand how your sales team is performing and identify areas that need improvement. After reports, let's open the Analytics section. Click Analytics from the sidebar. This dashboard provides a visual overview of your business using charts, graphs, and performance indicators. Here, you can monitor important information such as the number of new leads, revenue generated, deals currently in the pipeline, account growth, lead sources, sales targets, and overall team performance. If you want additional insights, simply click Create Dashboard or Add Component. You can customize the dashboard with charts, tables, KPI widgets, and other visual reports that display the information most important to your business. This gives you a quick overview of your company's performance every time you log into Zoho CRM. Now let's take a quick look at the Agents section. This is one of Zoho CRM's newer AI-powered features that helps automate different business tasks. Depending on your Zoho CRM edition, you can create AI agents that assist with customer interactions, automate repetitive work, answer common questions, and help your team complete tasks more efficiently. Now let's explore the Settings section. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open it. This is where you can customize your CRM, manage users, configure automation, connect integrations, and adjust different business settings. Under General, you can manage your company information, user accounts, calendars, and other basic CRM settings. The Security Controls section lets you manage user roles, permissions, and access levels to keep your CRM secure. Next is Channels, where you can connect your email, phone system, live chat, social media, and other communication platforms with Zoho CRM. The Customization section allows you to customize modules, fields, layouts, templates, and pipelines to match your business workflow. The Automation section helps eliminate repetitive work. Here you can create workflow rules that automatically perform actions whenever certain conditions are met. For example, you can automatically assign a new lead to a salesperson, send a welcome email after creating a contact, update a deal stage automatically, or schedule reminders for follow-ups. These automations save time and reduce manual work. Under Process Management, you can create approval processes and structured workflows to ensure your sales team follows the correct process. The Experience Center provides additional customer engagement and business management tools that you can explore as your business grows. Next is Data Administration, where you can import, export, backup, or manage all of your CRM data. The marketplace allows you to install extensions and connect Zoho CRM with popular third-party applications like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, Zoom, Shopify, and many more. Finally, the Developer Hub is designed for advanced users who want to build custom applications, APIs, and integrations for Zoho CRM. And that's everything you need to know to get started with Zoho CRM as a complete beginner. After spending a little time using these features, you'll become much more comfortable managing your customers and keeping your sales process organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.